Good afternoon. We are looking here at this video on part 2, evaluating logs. In the previous video we learned how to convert logarithmic expressions into exponential. In this video we will do the reverse procedure, something you should know because these type of questions do appear. So let's get into this. Ideally this expression over here should be committed to memory. That's just my tip to all of you, or recommendation. Convert to log form these expressions. Each of these is an exponential, you convert it into that. So let's start with a. 4 to the minus 2 is equal to 1 over 16. It makes sense. 4 to the power minus 2 is equal to 1 over 16 because you're looking at a reciprocal. Anyhow, this is my a component, this is y, and this here is x. So you just have to convert it into this. So it's not hard. Start with log, put your base, and put your x value right here, and your y, and you're done. It's not hard. For the next question, we're looking at 3 squared equals 9. You have to convert this into the logarithmic form. You know this here is your base 3, 9 is your answer, and your power is 2, and that is it. So my tip to all of you is this. In this part right here, the item which is being impacted by log, in its inverse function, it becomes your answer. And the item which is your answer here in the log, in its inverse, it becomes the item that's being impacted by the exponential. So things flip around. Keep that in your mind. For this last question, we again have 2 parts. So let's look at it. Each of those exponential parts have to be converted into a logarithmic format. 1 over 10 to the power of 2 is equal to 1 over 100. Here's my base. My base here happens to be 1 over 10. My answer here is 1 over 100, which is my x value, and what is being applied in terms of the exponent here becomes my y value, which is equal to 2. And our final answer will be this: log base 1 over 10, 1 over 100 is equal to 2, and that's a good answer right there. How about this next one? 25 to the power of minus 1 over 2 is equal to 1 over 5. The item which is being affected by the exponent is always your base, so that's easy. That comes down right over here. The answer over here must be your x value in terms of the logarithmic function. The answer here is your x value here. Your exponent here is your y value here, minus 1 over 2, and you're done. So keep this expression in your mind. Memorize it. You can't go wrong once you've memorized it. It's very easy. There are only 3 items. There are a, x, and a y, and they flip and flop. The x and the y's flip, and they flop with regards to the log and the exponent, because the log and the exponential functions are inverses of one another. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.